What's cooking in your kitchen, Preeti?
Well, at the moment at Preeti's kitchen, I am just cooked a lovely chicken curry. And this is good fresh meat that I get from a lovely shop here. It's a Turkish shop from Mannheim in the in a small little Turkish shop that I find just near Marktplatz. So, and then they never used to, but now because they know me, they do me a favor where they get big leg pieces and they chop it into small pieces, so it's more easier for when it comes to chicken curry. So yeah, and here is my little kitchen, as you can see, and my logo just behind you. This is where it all started, and this is where all the ideas came from, Preeti's kitchen.